Status.
Bodyguard.
Commander.
Rico.
Mission.
Mission. We're going to war.
Welcome to the Toys of War, a concise review of some of the modern trends in military research, military hardware, and the latest developments in military industry.
L3 Harris Technologies is a major U.S. defense contractor specializing in communication, surveillance, and electronic warfare systems. Formed from the merger of L3 Technologies and Harris Corporation in 2019, the company provides cutting-edge solutions to military and intelligence agencies worldwide. Its expertise in advanced avionics and sensor integration has positioned it as a key supplier for airborne intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance platforms. The MC-55A Peregrine is a highly modified Gulfstream G550 business jet, designed for signals intelligence and electronic warfare missions. It features an advanced suite of sensors and electronic warfare equipment, enabling it to intercept, analyze, and jam enemy communications and radar signals. Built for the Royal Australian Air Force, the aircraft enhances Australia's airborne ISR capabilities, supporting both national defense and allied operations in the Indo-Pacific region. The Australian government awarded the contract for 4 MC-55A aircraft in 2019, with initial deliveries planned for 2023. However, modifications to the aircraft's outer mold line and flight control systems, necessary to integrate the mission equipment, caused unforeseen delays. Engineering challenges related to balancing flight performance with military-grade electronics required additional testing and redesign efforts. As of early 2025, L3 Harris has announced that it is now on track to deliver the first MC-55A to the RAF within the year. Australian defense officials confirm that the aircraft will arrive within the next 12 months, marking the long-awaited deployment of this advanced airborne ISR platform. The remaining aircraft are expected to follow in subsequent deliveries, ensuring full operational capability in the near future. Oshkosh Defense is a leading U.S. military vehicle manufacturer specializing in tactical wheeled systems for the U.S. Army and Marine Corps. The company is known for producing the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicles, and autonomous combat support systems. Its expertise in integrating advanced mobility and firepower solutions has made it a key contractor in modernizing U.S. military ground forces. In March 2025, Oshkosh Defense showcased the latest variant of its ROGUE-Fire system at the AUSA Global Force Symposium in Huntsville, Alabama. This version features the multiple launch rocket system family of munitions, allowing for greater flexibility in long-range precision strikes. The demonstration emphasized its ability to provide rapid, mobile fire support in expeditionary and distributed combat environments. The ROGUE-Fire system is based on the JLTV chassis, offering enhanced mobility and survivability. It supports integration with HIMARS-compatible rockets, including GMLRS, up to 92 kilometers range, and ATACMS, up to 300 kilometers range. The system is designed to be lightweight and highly transportable, making it ideal for Marine Corps operations where rapid deployment and mobility are critical. Although remotely operated, Rogue Fires incorporates AI-driven autonomy, primarily for terrain navigation and obstacle avoidance. This enables it to maneuver across complex environments with minimal operator input, while maintaining a human-in-the-loop control structure for targeting and firing decisions. The AI enhances survivability by allowing for rapid repositioning after launch. Oshkosh Defense has not provided a definitive deployment date, but reports suggest that initial fielding could begin by late 2025 or early 2026. The U.S. Marine Corps is evaluating the system for integration into its Force Design 2030 initiative, which prioritizes mobile, precision strike capabilities for future conflict scenarios. The PHASA 35, developed by BAE Systems, is a high-altitude, solar-powered UAV designed for long-endurance missions in the stratosphere. With a 35-meter wingspan and ultra-lightweight composite structure, it can operate at altitudes above 66,000 feet. Powered by solar panels and onboard batteries, it is capable of continuous flight for up to a year, offering an affordable, persistent alternative to satellites for surveillance and communications. BAE Systems, a leading global defense contractor, developed PHASA 35 through its subsidiary, Prismatic Limited. The project began in 2018 and achieved its maiden flight in 2020 at Australia's Woomera Test Range. Subsequent trials at Spaceport America in New Mexico proved its capability to reach stratospheric altitudes. The UAV's rapid turnaround between flights enhances operational efficiency, making it a valuable asset for modern intelligence operations. The PHASA 35 is designed for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and communications relay missions. Its ability to loiter over designated areas for months provides strategic advantages in border control, military reconnaissance, and disaster response. Additionally, it serves as a potential platform for secure, high-altitude 5G connectivity, reducing reliance on traditional satellite infrastructure in remote regions. On February 27, 2025, Maria Eagle, the UK Minister of State at the Ministry of Defence, confirmed in a parliamentary response that the UK has ordered 3 PHASA 35 type UAVs. The procurement, finalised at the end of January 2025, aims to enhance Britain's ISR capabilities. The move reflects growing interest in high-altitude, long-endurance UAVs as cost-effective alternatives to conventional surveillance aircraft and satellites. Shield AI is a defense technology company specializing in AI-driven autonomy for unmanned systems. They develop both software and hardware solutions, including the VBAT and Nova series of autonomous UAVs. The VBAT is a tactical UAS optimized for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, offering vertical takeoff and landing capabilities and long-endurance flight. The Nova quadricopters are designed for autonomous indoor exploration and confined space operations. In addition to these platforms, Shield AI has developed the VDAR, Visual Detection and Ranging, sensor system. The VDAR system consists of high-resolution electro-optical and infrared sensors, advanced AI-driven image processing algorithms, and onboard computing systems that enable real-time target identification. Operating across multiple spectral bands, VDAR provides a significant advantage in detecting stealthy or hard-to-spot objects, such as small boats, periscopes, and camouflaged assets. The system can autonomously scan vast areas, reducing operator workload and increasing mission effectiveness. Shield AI has worked with Sentient Vision Systems to integrate VDAR technology into its unmanned aircraft, strengthening their ability to provide wide-area search and persistent surveillance in contested environments. This collaboration allows Shield AI's platforms to autonomously identify and respond to threats with greater accuracy and speed. On March 28, Shield AI announced the delivery of its first VDAR payload for the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps Small Tactical Unmanned Aircraft Systems program. This milestone marks a significant step in enhancing maritime domain awareness and ISR capabilities for naval and expeditionary forces.
If you find information in this video interesting, please like and subscribe.